Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually getting ready to travel, and this morning I also have to film my assumptions about me. Yeah, what your assumptions about me are. So my filming area is a little bit of a mess, and I'm sorry if it looks shaky, but my hand gets like super shaky when I'm filming. So let me show you what I'm currently working with. And if you see this in the background, please ignore it. But this is what I'm packing because I'm actually making a cake where I'm traveling to. So that's hard. And I'm going to try to kind of like record the journey of doing that, like baking at somebody else's home and baking with stuff that because I have access to everything here at home. But when you go and do it at somebody else's house, if you forget something, then you just have to do with what you have. So let me show you. Okay guys, so in addition to making a cake at my mom's, I'm also making my mold. So I brought my business with me, and I have packages there for the mail. I did put all of my little mold stuff into little bags. Here they are, my mold putty. I have boxes there. Then I have more supplies in there. So it's not totally easy to travel and work, but I make it happen because I love what I do. And let's see how this cake turns out. For my cake, the first cake that I'm making is going to be a pineapple cake, and I do use like for one recipe I use one box and then one scratch vanilla to make the pineapple cake. So I'll try to film that and show it to you, but here's a little bit of the stuff that I have set up. Obviously this isn't how I would set it up at home, but I have to kind of like work the best that I can with what I have. I do have more things in my room, so this isn't even half of it. Okay, and then here I went to the cake supply store, Amazing Cake Supplies here in Houston, and I got these cake boxes and a few cake drums. And then here is how I traveled. So in between all this like cake pans and decorations, brushes and all that stuff, I did have my clothes scattered in there, but I did go ahead and take them out. So here are my cake pans. I brought a turntable and a few things. Hopefully I didn't forget anything major. game areas. There's a pin the tail on the donkey. There's the balloon dart toss thing. And here's a view of the party. And this is where my cake is gonna go. We're actually gonna go get it soon. So as soon as it's up here, I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but here's the setup of the cake. This is how it ended up, and that's how the cake looks. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but here's how the cake looks. That's the setup, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'll keep showing you guys some clips, and bye.